and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cristina, and in this video I will show you and teach you how to do a moon salutation step by step. I love to do moon salutations during new moon and full moon, and today you will learn how to do this as well. Let's go. We're gonna start on the mat, starting on one side of the mat in Tadasana, with the feet together, rolling the shoulders back, elongating the spine, keeping the core strong, engaging all the muscles. Taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up, exhaling, elongating the spine, and tilting to the side into a half moon pose. This first round, we're going to stay a little bit longer, and I will explain you step by step each posture. The second round is going to be a little more of a flow. Coming back to the center, taking a deep inhale, lengthening the spine, relaxing the shoulder, exhaling, tilting towards the other side into a half moon pose. Coming back to the center and stepping our leg on the side of the mat, turning the toes towards the outside. Index finger and thumbs together, lowering down into our goddess pose. And here we make sure that we lower as much as we can, so the thighs are parallel to the floor almost, the knees are towards the outside, we relax the shoulder, we engage the core. Slowly we lift up in our star pose, and we pivot the right leg till the arch of the back leg is in line with the heel of the front leg. Some mats have this line, so this is how you'll know that your feet are really in the right position. Front leg facing forward, back leg, the arch is in line with the heel of the front leg. Arms are shoulder level, we take a deep inhale, we bring the weight forward, and we lower down into a triangle pose. Either we leave the arm all the way down, we make sure our arms are in line with the shoulders. Either you can use a block, or you can lift the arm a little bit higher if you can't reach the floor without bending the knee. Everything is good, everything works. Just listen to your body. Slowly bringing the arms down and bringing the arms one side and the other of the leg. Again, important to elongate the spine, keep the front leg straight. Either we can use blocks, or as well you can again lift your arms a little bit higher if you have to. However, if you're able, bring the palms just on the floor. And from here we bend the front knee, we bring the back knee on the mat, we relax the toes, we take a deep inhale, we lift the arms up, we bring the weight forward, we do a little backward bend into a crescent moon. We relax the shoulder, we take a few deep breaths in here, making sure that we stretch really well the hip flexors here. And then we bring the palms down and we pivot again the back leg. We turn, we bring the arm inside of the knee, and from here we turn the stretched leg with the toes facing up. We keep the heel down, and if you can, we go into Skandasana, so all the way down here. If this is a bit too much and you cannot reach all the way down, you can stay here as well, and also you can use blocks. Just see how it feels. From here we slowly move into Malasana, so into a wide squat, making sure here that we're not, collapsing our hips all the way down like this, relaxing. We engage the core, we engage the whole, leg muscles, and we lift a little bit higher. We take the elbows inside of the knees and we press the knees outside. Bringing the palms down, we move to Skandasana on the other side. Again, the same thing. If you can have both heels down, amazing. Then you bring the elbow inside of the knee and we take the knee towards the outside. If this is not possible, then you can lift a little bit higher here. You can use blocks, whatever you need to right now. Slowly we turn and we go into a crescent pose on this side, relaxing the toes, the back knee on the mat, taking a deep inhale, elongating the spine, elongating the arms, lifting up into a crescent moon, really stretching the hip flexors, little backward bend. Slowly bringing the arms down, lifting the back knee, stretching both legs and going into our pyramid pose, trying to straighten as much as we can the back and the legs. Again, if we can reach with our hands the mat, great. If not, we can use blocks or we can just place our palms a little bit higher on the leg. And slowly we turn to our triangle pose, bringing the arm inside, opening the chest, keeping the arms in line with the shoulders, taking a deep inhale. Again, if you have to, you can lift a little up on the knee and slowly coming up and coming to our goddess pose, toes towards the outside, thumb and index finger together and lowering down into our goddess pose. Turning the knees outside, slowly lifting up into star pose. Bringing the leg together, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up, opening the chest, exhaling, tilting towards the other side. Half moon pose. Coming back to the center, inhaling, lifting up, relaxing the shoulders, exhaling, tilting towards the other side. And slowly relaxing the shoulders, rolling the shoulders back. And this was the first round of a full moon salutation. We're gonna do one more round in this video with a little bit less talking, and this is gonna be a bit more of a flow. So we're gonna start on the other side of the mat in Tadasana, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up, exhaling, tilting towards the side, half moon pose. Coming back to the center, inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, tilting towards the other side. Slowly coming back to the center, stepping on the side and going into our goddess pose. Lifting up into a star, pivoting the back leg, bringing the arms shoulder level, bringing the weight forward, coming into a triangle pose. Slowly bringing the arm down one side and the other of the leg, pyramid pose. Bringing the back knee down, taking a deep inhale, lifting into our crescent pose. Bringing the palms down, palm inside of the knee, Skandasana. Taking one deep breath here and slowly moving to Malasana. Wide squat. Taking a few deep breaths in here, opening the knees. Bringing the palms down, going to Skandasana on the other side. Slowly pivoting the leg, turning, leaving the knee down, taking a deep inhale, lifting up in a crescent moon on this side, relaxing the shoulders. Slowly bringing the palms down, lifting the leg up, straightening both legs into a pyramid pose. Bringing arm in front of the foot and lifting up into a triangle pose. Opening the chest. Slowly coming all the way up into a star, toes towards the outside, index finger and thumbs together, going into our goddess pose. Taking 2 deep breaths in here. Slowly lifting up, back into a star, bringing the feet together, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up, exhaling, tilting on the side in a half moon pose. Inhaling, coming back to the center, exhaling, tilting towards the other side, half moon pose. Slowly coming back to the center, relaxing the arms, relaxing the shoulders, and we did 2 full rounds of moon salutations. I really encourage you to do this every new moon and every full moon, paired up as well, you know, with writing your intentions for a new moon and for the full moon. It's also great to write down everything that you want to let go of and make space for your desires and everything that you manifest to come into your life. This moon salutation series is great for, you know, hip opening, releasing all, you know, emotions that are stored usually in the hips. And I encourage you to do it even more times during the month, especially in the evening. It's very, very good and beneficial. And let me know how it feels. Thank you so much for joining me, for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thank you again so much for your support, and looking forward to see you again in another beautiful video with great energy. Wishing you all the best and great vibes.